iPhone trending incoming call Reels tutorial.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
To begin, download and open the InShot program from your App Store or Play Store. Select a video option and then create a new project. Import the beginning video by downloading and importing it. Select the text and type the location's name where you want to make changes to the video, for example, Rome. Type and place it exactly how it's shown in the video. To cut the video to 2.5 seconds, hover over the video section, click on Edit and select Trim, then go to Add the video. Take 8 photos of a place you'd like to visit. Cut and trim the photographs to match the duration specified. Photo 1, 0.6 seconds. Photo 2, 0.7 seconds. Photo 3, 0.6 seconds. Photo 4, 0.6 seconds. Photo 5, 0.7 seconds. Photo 6, 0.6 seconds. Photo 7, 0.6 seconds. Photo 8, 0.9 seconds. If you have downloaded Reels like this on your mobile, you can follow these steps. Click on the music option, click on Tracks, and click on Extract audio from video. Then play the video and evaluate it. To finish, for better quality, save the video to a higher resolution. Thank you for watching.